everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have continued the exercise number 2.5 questions, examples, and we have discussed about the decimal numbers, that how can we express the decimal numbers, okay, in the expanded form. Alright students, so today we will be continuing this exercise, that is exercise number 2.5, and we will be doing its 5 to 8 questions. Alright students, so let us start with the fifth question. What is the fifth question? Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Okay, we have discussed this concept in the beginning of the last class. Okay students, this is the decimal number and we have to express this decimal number in the expanded form. Alright students, now this is 20.03. 20.03 can be expressed in the form of 2 multiplied by 10, that is 20, right? Now this is 0 at its ones place, right? So it means that it is 0 into 1. This is what? This is tens place. This is what? This is ones place. Alright students. Now after the decimal there comes 0. What is this 0? 0 is the 10th place. Okay students. So this can be written as 0 into 1 upon 10. And what is this? This is 10th place. Okay students. Now what is this 3? This 3 is the 100th place. Okay students. So this is 3 into 1 upon 100. Okay. And this is 100th place. Alright students, moving to the next question, 2.03, okay. Here there is nothing regarding the tens place, 100th place, okay. So we will be starting with the ones place, okay. So if 2.03, then it means that it can be written in the expanded form like 2 into 1, okay. 2 into 1, where 2 into 1, 1 is expressing the ones place, okay students. So this is ones. Now the thing that is after the decimal is 0. So it means that the number on the 10th place is 0. 0 into 1 upon 10. Okay. This is expressing the 10th place. Okay students. Now students, there comes 3. 3 is representing the 100th place. Okay. So it is 3 into 1 upon 100. And this is 100th place. Okay students, so this was all about the first two questions of this fifth question. Next, third part is 100.03. It can be represented in the form of 2 into 100, right? And this is the 100 place, right students? Now 0, this 0 is at the tens place, so it is 0 multiplied by 10, okay? 0 into 10, it is representing tens place. Now what? 0 into 1, it is representing ones place. Now this 0, this is representing 0 into 1 upon 10, which is representing 10th place, okay students. And now this 3, 3 into 1 upon 100, and it is representing the 100th place. Alright students. So this is the expansion of this question. The next question, 2.034, okay. It can be written as 2 into 1, which is the ones place, plus 0 into 1 upon 10, that is the 10th place, plus 3 into 100, that is 100th place. Alright students. Now what? 4, this 4 is 4 into 1 upon 1000. This is what? 1000th place. Okay students. This is 4 into 1 upon 1000, right? So that is why it is 1000th place, okay. The next question students, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. What is the place value? What is the place value of a given number? The place value of a given number is the position of that particular number in the decimal number. Alright students. For example, if we have to find the place value of 2 in this number, then it means that it is asked that on what position, on what place 2 is standing, okay students. So this is what place value is all about, okay. Clearly you can see that the place value of 2 in this 2.56, the place value, the position of 2 in this particular number is ones place, okay, because 2 is in the ones position, right. So 2 is at ones place. So place value of 2 in 2.56 is ones place, okay students. Next question, 21.37. On what place 2 is in 21.37? So, the place value of 2 in 21.37 is, what is this? Tens place. Okay, students, it is tens place. Okay, the next question, 10.25. Now this 2 is coming after the decimal, so that is 10th place. Okay, students, so place value of 2 in 10.25 is tens place. Okay, next question, students, 9.42. 2's position is this, okay, after the decimal at 100th place. Okay, students, so place value of 2 in 9.42 is 100th place. Okay, students, now 63.352. 2 is in this position after the decimal. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, third position after the decimal. So, after one position after the decimal, it is 10th, then 100th, then 1000th. Okay, so the place value of 2 in this particular number is 1000th place. Okay, students, so place value of 2 in 63.352 is 1000th place. Okay, students, the next question, what is that? Question number D. Okay, 7. Dinesh went from place A to place B. Okay, Dinesh is going from place A to B. Okay, and there to place C, and from that B he is going to place C. Okay, B to C. A is 7.5 kilometers from B, that is 7.5 kilometers from B, and B is 12.7 kilometers from C, that is 12.7 kilometers from C. Ayub went from place A to D. Ayub is travelling from place A to D, and from there to place C, means from D he is going to C. Okay, like this. D is 9.3 kilometers from A, 9.3 kilometers from A, right, students? And C is 11.8 kilometer from D. Okay, D is 11.8 kilometers from D. So, you have to find out who travelled more and by how much. Okay, they both are going to the point C, right? But you have to find out that they are following different routes. Okay, but we want to find that who travelled more and by how much. Okay, students, so let's start with Dinesh. Okay, so firstly Dinesh travelled, firstly he is going from A to B. So, from A to B he is travelling 7.5 kilometers, right, students? And from B to C he is travelling 12.7 kilometers, right? So, total distance travelled is equals to 5 plus 7 is equals to 12, taking 2 down and taking 1 is carry, point, 7 plus 1 is equals to 8 and 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. So, 0 at the bottom and 1 in the carry, that is 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So, the distance that Dinesh is travelling is 20.2 kilometers. Alright, students. So, Dinesh is travelling 20.2 kilometers. Alright, students. Now, we are trying to find the distance travelled by Ayub. So, Ayub travelled, Ayub firstly travelled from A to D, right? From A to D he is travelling 9.3 kilometers, and then D to C, right? He is travelling 11.8 kilometers. Alright, students. So, total distance travelled, what is the total distance travelled? 3 plus 8 is equals to 11, 1 at the bottom and 1 in the carry, point, point, point. 1 plus 9 is equals to 10, 10 plus 1 is equals to 11, okay, and 1 in the carry, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So, clearly 21.2 kilometer is the distance travelled by Ayub and 20.2 kilometers is the distance travelled by Dinesh. Who travelled more? Clearly students, Ayub travelled more, because in this students he is travelling 21.1 kilometers and Dinesh is travelling 20.2 kilometers. So, who is travelling more? Obviously, Ayub is travelling more. Alright students, now we need to find out how much, okay, by how much, okay, we'll be doing that particular part, okay, by how much Dinesh travelled more, okay, Ayub travelled more, okay. So, the difference by how much, we have to find out this thing. So, 21.1, okay, minus 20.2. 2 can't be subtracted from 1, right students? So, we will take the carry, 1 will be converted to 0 and this 11, okay, 11 minus 2 is equals to 9, point 0 minus 0 is equals to 0 and 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So, by how much? 0.9 kilometers, okay, Ayub travelled more. Alright students, so Ayub travelled more by 0.9 kilometers. In this question students, we just find out that how much Dinesh is travelling, then we find out that how much Ayub is travelling, okay, we have just the observation that Ayub is travelling more, but we don't know about how much travel, okay. So, we have just subtracted these two things. So, the distance that Ayub is travelling is 0.9 kilometers more than that of Dinesh, okay students. Now, we will be looking at another question, that is question number 8. Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams apple and 3 kg 250 grams mangoes, okay, and Sarla bought 4 kg 800 grams oranges and 4 kg and 150 gram bananas, okay. So, who bought more fruits? We need to find out that who is buying more fruits, alright students. So, we will be starting with Shama, okay. Shama bought apples, how much? 5 kg and 300 grams, alright students. Now, Shama bought mangoes, how much? 3 kg and 250 grams, okay. So, gram, we need to add these, okay. Gram, 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 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 0 plus 5 is equals to 5 and 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. And kg now, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So, Shama bought fruit that is equals to 8 kg and 550 grams, okay. Fruits bought by Shama. Okay students, these are the fruits bought by Shama, okay. Now, we will be finding out the fruits bought by Sarla, okay students. How much Sarla is buying? Sarla bought oranges that is equals to 4 kg and 800 gram, right students, and Sarla bought bananas that is equals to 4 kg and 150 grams. So, calculating the total, gram, 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 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 950 grams and kg, then 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So, these are the fruits bought by Sarla. Students, clearly they both are buying 8 kg, kg are the same. Now, we have to observe the grams. Shama is buying 550 grams, whereas Sarla is buying 950 grams, okay students. So, who is buying more? Obviously, Sarla is buying more, okay. So, who bought more fruits? Sarla bought more fruits, okay students. In this question, students, you need not to find out by how much, because in the question it is not asked, okay. You are just asked who bought more fruits, okay. So, just you need to do, you have to find who bought more fruits. Sarla bought more fruits. Next question, students. How much less is 28 kilometers than 42.6 kilometers? Alright students, so you need to find out the subtraction of these two, okay. How much 28 kilometer is less than that of 42.6 kilometers, okay. 42.6 kilometers minus 28 kilometers, right students? You need to subtract these two, kilometers, kilometers, kilometers. Then 6 minus 0 is equals to 6, decimal, decimal, decimal. 2 can't be subtracted from 8, so we'll take the carry from 4. 4 will be converted to 3 and 2 will be converted to 12. 12 minus 8 is equals to 4, okay students, and 3 minus 2 is equals to 1, okay. So, how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? That is 14.6 kilometer, okay students. So, this was all about the exercise number 2.5. So, tomorrow we will be studying the next continued exercise, that is 2.6, okay. So, students, do practice at your home. We will be continuing the next exercise in your next class, alright. Bye bye, have a nice day all of you.